Yes, having a global view of regulatory activity is really important for AEP. We have a lot of European investors. Actually, we have investors all over the world. And so we need to understand what's happening in those countries that might be driving their demand for specific types of disclosure, but also the regulations that may not directly affect AEP, but could indirectly affect us. And that's what Datamaran gives us the ability to do. We get that global view whenever we need it, which is extremely helpful, particularly since we're on calls with ESG investors very frequently, and the board is constantly asking us about what is happening in the overall landscape, not just in the United States. So a good example, we had a call with a large institutional investor a couple of years ago, maybe not even 2 years ago. And the question came up because a pension fund within their portfolio was from Europe. And the Sustainable Finance Disclosure Rule, SFDR, had just come out in the EU. And they were concerned that maybe we were not in compliance with a couple of the articles of SFDR. We had no idea what that was. And how does that apply to AEP? We don't operate in Europe. Datamaran was able to help us not only understand it, but then go out and see what does that mean, what does that look like, and how could that potentially affect AEP. That was particularly important because there was a potential threat of divestiture. And so understanding what that pension fund's concerns were and being able to demonstrate that we were in compliance, we were able to avert that. So that was very important, and Datamaran played a key part in helping us to be able to do that.